Here we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro standard combo. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So you pull this little strip here. Oh. And then it just opens simply on the side like so. Inside you've got your accessories pack and the camera itself, as well as a few other bits and bobs. So we've got a QR code that once scanned will help you download the app, and also another app which is some sort of AI editor. Okay, fair enough. So in the accessories box, very neatly packaged as you can see. So we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have the documentation, manuals, etc. On the box, it's also got a quick description on how the quick release system works. Now this piece, so inside that accessories box, we have the battery, the cage that protects your camera, a thumb screw, some spacers to help make sure that you tighten your accessories properly, one curved mount, and your quick release clip. So that will work in conjunction with the camera or this case for you to clip in. That seems a little bit rough, so it's easy with the camera in. Let's wait till we've done that. So here we have the camera packaged all nicely in another bag. So we'll open that up. And there we have the camera, complete with protective covers as they usually have. So your SD card would slot in here, and that's where we're going to place the battery. So this battery is actually larger than the previous generation, and that helps with the longer runtime. Slide that down. So physically, it seems relatively unchanged from the previous action camera, but as you can see, the quick release system, I mean, that didn't feel that great, to be honest, but it's quite strong when it's on there though, but it doesn't really work both ways, you see. So the magnets mean that it can only go one direction. That's fine. So we've got the Action 5 Pro written across here, the light sensor that helps you get a good color balance. You've got the rubber ring that goes around your lens to help you grip it when you want to unscrew it. So that's it. There's the standard combo. Inside, quick rundown of what we've got. We've got the USB-C to USB-C cable. We've got a sticky mount, the thumb screw, the quick release mount, the camera itself, a cage for the camera, which attaches like so. These go in between these mechanisms here. If it's a little bit loose and you need some friction, you can add those in. And you've got your paperwork here and instructions.